Okay, what about the last question that I gave to you?
স্যার 3টে কোশ্চেন দিয়েছিলেন।
হয়ে গেছে তো ওগুলো?
লাস্ট কোশ্চেনটা শিওর না।
অটোমোটার কোশ্চেনটা?
না না, ওই যে which of the following is not true?
Which of the following?
আমি
Oh yes. Okay, chalo. So what about the last question? Tell me the options.
স্যার থার্ড
First
অপশনটা কি
option is
লেখা? ফার্স্ট অপশন হচ্ছে all even numbers, integers.
this one. All even integers. Yes, plus minus is there. So
Is
now
group with
it is a
respect
group
to
with
addition.
respect to addition. Is a group with respect to addition. So what is the identity element here? Okay, this is addition is a closed. If you add if you add
Yes.
2 plus 4, 4 plus 6, even plus even, if you add
All
even plus even, then you got what? Even also. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes. Or if you this one minus even, if you got here also even, anything you can do, so it is even, you got the even, so it is closed. Yes or no? Closed or not?
Yes sir.
Close.
And addition means automatically it is associative. Third point, identity element. Which one is identity element? 0.
See.
And what is the inverse? If you take any number plus 2 from here and add with minus 2 also in their group, so you got an identity element 0. So now you got the inverse of every element. Inverse of every element. So inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. Inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. So it is a group. So this statement is true. Got it? This is true. Similarly, next option is 0 plus minus k plus minus 2k plus minus 3k, like this. So on. So is a group.
स्क्रीन के आगे ऑप्शन होगा एक और क्लिक कर दे बस.
वेट बस मैं कंट्रोल सेट कर.
Addition plus. So first you tell me, it is a closed or not? Closed.
Yes.
Closed. एक तो ये PUBG वाले सारे कंट्रोल्स ना एक बार वापस से सेम लाने पड़ेंगे.
Inverse is also
और आदत भी लानी पड़ेगी.
Inverse is also there, so it is also true.
Yes sir. Save.
Then option C.
अमन तू फॉलो कर ले.
Basic.
अच्छा कहाँ पे आएगा अमन? ग्राफिक में क्या है? स्मूथ, अल्ट्रा, कलरफुल.
Is a group respect to
ब्राइटनेस और बढ़ा दे थोड़ी.
Multiplication. With respect to
ठीक है एडजस्ट. नहीं भाई ठीक है. अरे भाई कलरफुल.
Is a group with respect
Let's go जनता.
Now first
व्लॉग आएगा गाइस कल. व्लॉग आएगा कल.
2 power m into 2 power n.
मैच नहीं हो रहा है, हो तो क्या रे?
Okay. If you multiply this.
अरे अमन तू मेरे को.
You got 2
वाह
power
भाई
n
अमन
plus.
वाह. मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ.
It belongs to S.
follow किया मैंने.
Yes or no?
ओके 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 ओके
Yes,
कोई नहीं
sir.
आजा आजा
Yes.
Yes,
Next,
yes, yes, yes.
associate it because it
भाई
is
मस्त गाइस
multiplication,
सेम
so it is
एनर्जी सेम
associate.
इंटेंसिटी करते हैं आज फुल लेट्स गो अरे
Third
पिंग
point,
पिंग भी गाइस अच्छी खासी आ रही
identity
है पता है
element.
तीसरा
So
उधर कितनी आ रही है
what
मन
is the identity element?
अरे भाई मुंबई वालों के फायदे
God, मुंबई वाले
And how you get one?
अरे भाई पांडु गेमिंग भाई थैंक यू फॉर द 20
Power
नितिन
0.
काटे भाई ओल्ड आईडी
How
मिलेगी क्या
you
यस
get
ब्रो
one in
ओल्ड
this
आईडी मिल
case?
जाएगी सब
Old
कुछ
ID
n
मिलेगी.
is
Power
any
0.
integer, so you
आपको
put
अपना account
0
मिलेगा with
in
थोड़ा
power
सा
of
rank
n.
भी अगर आपका अच्छा
You
रहेगा
got
तो
on
आपको silver
2
खुलेगा.
part
तो
0.
गोल्ड है मेरा गोल्ड है
Yes, so n is an integer,
मेरे
you
को
can
है
put
तो
0.
फिर
So now
अगर तेरा
2
जो
part 0
last
equal
time
to 1, 1 is identity
करेगा ना
element.
तब
हाँ
rank तेरा थोड़ा
Done.
लो रहेगा. तभी
Inverse.
अरे भाई तेरा भाई
फाइनल
खेलता
So
नहीं था ब्रो तेरा भाई पहले
हाँ वही
पबजी
तो
में
how you
सीजन
got
में
the
2 मैच
inverse?
हाँ
If
सीजन
2
में दो
power
मैच.
अरे
n
तेरा भाई
belongs
कास्टिंग
to
करता था
S,
बस
कास्टिंग और मैं
yes,
भी यही बोलने वाला था.
then 2 power minus n also belongs to S. Yes or no?
यस सर
Minus n means it is integer. So they don't say that it is positive or negative, it is all. Yes, so 1 by 2 power n. 1 by 2 power n is the inverse of 2 power n. So it belongs to S. So now it is a group, the statement is true. Done. Hello, obviously the option D is correct option. Because all are true, then option D alone not true. So what is the option D? Set of all complex number. It is obviously we got the answer, but how it is not true, you have to see that. Set of all complex number is a group with respect to. So how you prove this? Any হ্যালো, হ্যালো।
Yes, sir.
আরে আমার নেটটা কেটে গেছিল, দাঁড়াও, স্ক্রিনটা অফ হয়ে গেছে না। ইয়েস, ইট ইজ শোয়িং। প্রেজেন্ট করলাম।
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, so now my question is, 0 is a complex number or not? Yes, 0 complex number. Very basic question, and that can be asked by in any product based company interview. Product based company interview, that question can be asked. The 0 is a complex number or not? হ্যালো, শোনা যাচ্ছে না? You can write in the chat also. Yes, সোহম বলেছে 0 is a complex number. রোহিত বলছে শোনা যাচ্ছে স্যার। রোহিত, শোনা তো যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু 0টা কমপ্লেক্স নাম্বার কিনা আমি জানতে চাইছি। সোহম বলছে। সোহমের সঙ্গে তোমরা সবাই কি মানে একমত, এগ্রি করছো? ডু ইউ এগ্রি? Okay. Yes, 0 is complex number set, but have you find inverse of 0, inverse of 0 in the set? Inverse of 0 does not belongs to that set of complex number. So if inverse is not there of any element, then you can say this is not a group. This is not a group. So set of complex option is false. Yes. So set of complex number is not a group. Okay. আর কোনো কোশ্চেন কারোর? Let A equal to set of all positive integer. Star is defined as A star B equal to A plus B plus 2. Then what is the A star? Is dash, marks is 5. Question marks হচ্ছে 5 marks। তো এই কোশ্চেনটা তোমাদের দিয়ে দিলাম। মানে A star is what means? A star is a algebraic structure. A star is a semi group or monoid or group or abelian group, whatever.
Sir,
You have to put the right answer.
স্যার এটা হোমওয়ার্কে দিয়েছিলেন।
দিয়েছিলাম, এটা পড়েছো?
স্যার সেমি গ্রুপ এসছে।
ভুল ভুল, একদম ভুল। এবার ভুল করলে মার দিতে হবে, মার ছাড়া আর উপায় নেই। অনেক করানো হচ্ছে, যদি এবার ভুল করো আর কিছু করার নেই। একই প্রসিডিওর চেক করবে, সেম প্রসিডিওর। ইউ হ্যাভ টু অ্যাপ্রোচ অল দ্য কোশ্চেন অফ গ্রুপ। You have to first check the closed operation, next associativity, next identity element, next inverse, and next commutative. So that's all.
স্যার
Okay.
আইডেন্টিটি
এখন
এলিমেন্টটাই তো নেই।
নেই, নেই। -2 is identity element. -2 is identity element. How? You just check this. A star E. So how you write by this formula? A plus E plus 2. Can I write this? Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Hmm? So
স্যার স্ক্রিন অফ হয়ে গেছে।
how you got this value now? So if you multiply with the element with the identity element,
দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Sir, presentation টা off হয়ে গেছে।
এই রে দাঁড়াও, yes, এবার ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ, so how you got this? A star E, you can, I can write by this formula this. So now if you multiply any element with the identity element, what you got? You got that element. Not multiply, any operation. What is the identity element? This is not a multiplication. This can be addition, this can be multiplication, this can be subtraction, this can be division, anything. You do any operation to the identity element, you got that element. Yes or no? Huh? Yes. So you can
Sir.
write this. Yes. Hello.
স্যার কিন্তু যে -2টা তো does not belong to positive integer.
Oh, positive integer দিয়েছি না? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, that is, then it is semi group. You are correct, but it is integer now.
Okay.
If it is integer, then you check what is that. It is integer, huh? So now if it is integer, then what is the E? E is a -2. So -2 is your identity element. ইনভার্সটা তোমরা করবে। ইনভার্সটা কি আছে? আচ্ছা, you know that property, this property, A star B inverse equal to B inverse star A inverse. You guys know this property?
স্যার
Yes.
একটা কোয়েশ্চেনে বলেছিলেন।
Okay, so you have to apply this property to solve this map in the case of inverse. আর আমি করব না, বাইরে করব। Next point, order of a group. Order of a group. Order of group means number of elements. Number of elements in the group. Order of group means number of elements in the group. So if the set is like this, is equal to this only. So what is the order? Order is 2. This is one point. Next point is the cube root. The cube root of unity. Cube root of unity. G is a group. What is the cube root of unity? 1, omega omega square. 1 omega omega square. So what is that? Cube root of unity called, if you take 1, this is unit, then you put a cube root of 1, you got 3 roots. First one is 1, this is the real one, the real root, it is 1. And the omega and omega square are the imaginary root. Imaginary root. And what is the value of omega and omega square? Anyone remember? 1 plus root 3i by 2, and omega square is 1 minus root 3i by 2. Okay, so this cube root of unity is a group with respect to multiplication. Now you can see this group has only 3 elements. There is only 3 elements. So that group is finite group or not? Finite group. Because this group holds only 3 elements. That's why it is a finite group. So cube root of unity is a finite group with respect to multiplication. And what is the order of this group? Order is 3. Got it? How you have to prove this statement? So you have to prove this statement. How it is a group? Omega omega square কি করে গ্রুপ হয়ে গেল স্যার? তাই না? ওমেগা ওমেগা স্কয়ার কি করে গ্রুপ হয়ে গেল? See, when this is a solution, when there is a finite group, you have to evaluate composition table. Composition table. You have to evaluate the composition table. So what is the composition table? You can check like this. See here. You take a table here. And what is the operator? Operator is multiplication. So this is a multiplication operator. You put the operator here. And you put the finite group. So you put the elements by row and by column. And do the operators. Do the operation. So 1 multiply 1. What is 1? 1 multiply omega. Omega. 1 multiply omega square. Omega square. Omega multiply 1. Omega. Omega multiply omega. Omega square. And omega multiply omega square is omega cube. And I think you remember what is the value of omega cube. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me the value of omega cube? It's a class 11.
Sir, omega.
I think. Complex number chapter.
Sir, omega.
What is the value of omega cube? It is 1?
1.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Obviously, right?
Yes.
1. Why it is 1? You say that cube root of 1 is the roots. So if you take anything, 1 cube, you got 1. You take omega cube, you got 1. You take omega square cube. That means omega to the power 6. It is also 1. If those are the cube roots, then if you cube that, you got the root, you got the value, you got the element. Simple. So omega cube is 1. Omega cube is 1. So it is omega square. Now again omega cube, it is 1. And now power 4 means you can write omega into omega cube. So omega into 1. So it is omega. So now it is 1 here. So now you check all the elements in the table. All the elements in the Check and say all the elements of the table belongs to that group or not. Yes or no? Hello. শেয়ারিং আছে তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আপনার ভয়েসটা একটু কেটে গেছিল লাস্টে।
You can write in chat. Okay. Now it's okay? Hello?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
It is okay?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Hello, Naki? Yes, okay. So all the elements of that group, that table belongs to this group. So you can say this operation is closed. Now multiplication is also associative. No problem about that. Now what is the identity element here? What is the identity element from the table? How you check the identity element? How you check the identity element? Whatever in the row header. Listen carefully. My voice is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Whatever in the row header is there, whatever in the row header, that should be matched with any one row. If that is, then the left side element is the identity element. Yes? So what is the identity element here? 1. 1 is identity element. How you got? Row header with match with the any row, and that row belongs to which element? That is the identity element. And how you got the inverses? See, this is very funny. How you got the inverses? If you want to compute the inverse, then you go to the element here and put a line to that
Screen off হয়ে
element.
গেছে।
বহুত ডিস্টার্ব করছে তো আজকে, বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে না, ওই জন্য ডিস্টার্ব করছে। নাও ইট ইজ শোয়িং, স্ক্রিনটা দেখা যাচ্ছে?
No, sir.
দেখা যাচ্ছে?
না স্যার।
হ্যালো?
না স্যার, দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
Okay, 1 second. Hello? হ্যালো, তোমরা আছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Yes, sir.
হ্যালো, নাও ক্যান ইউ হিয়ার মি?
ইয়েস স্যার।
নেট প্রবলেম হয়ে গেছিল। ওকে, আমরা কোথায় ছিলাম? ইয়েস, সো এই পর্যন্ত হয়েছে। একটু আমাকে বলো যে কতটা বুঝেছো। So this is the composition table, and whatever match with the row heading, that is your identity element. That is your identity. So you got the identity element as one. One is your identity. Then how you get the inverses? So if you want to inverse of one inverse, then what is the result? How you got? You go to the identity element through this. Okay, I just coloring it with this. You go through the identity element, and whatever the identity element lie, you just go to the top header. So what is the inverse of 1? 1. Now if you want to inverse of omega, then you have to go to the identity element. So why is that? Why is the identity element? This is 1. So now it is 1 and go to the top. So omega's identity element inverse is omega square. Omega inverse is omega square. Now how you get the omega square inverse? You just go to the identity element, here the identity element, and now go to the top. So this is the rule for getting it. Understand or not? Tell me. Yes? Hello? এই শোনা যাচ্ছে তো এবার? এত প্রবলেম আজকে। হ্যালো,
শোনা যাচ্ছে স্যার।
ওকে, তো তোমরা বুঝেছো তো ব্যাপারটা? আরেকবার বলছি। So first you have to evaluate the composition table. So composition table, after that you have to how you find the identity element, how you find the identity element, whichever which row with matched with the row header, match with the row header, that left side element is identity element. Now how you find the inverses of every element? You start from the element and go to the identity element, and whatever the row heading with that identity element, it is the inverse. It is the inverse. You just check the arrows. You just check the arrows, you got that. Now do this. Okay, question is fourth root of unity with respect to multiplication is what? So what are the fourth roots? Fourth roots means 1 and you root over 4. Fourth root. Fourth root of unity. Okay. So 1 minus 1, I minus I. So those are the roots of the unity. So now this is you take as a group here, not group, any set here. Now you have to prove that what is that set. It is a group or it is a semi-group, algebraic structure in what. So what is the approach? First you have to draw the composition table with multiplication. So this is the approach here. Yeah. So now complete that table. You just multiply the cross multiply the elements, row with the column, row with the column. Then you check that is closed or not, that is associative or not, and what are the identity element and what is the inverses. Do this. I think you know, all of you know the value of I. It is root over minus 1. হ্যালো,
Yes, sir.
নেটটা একটু ডিস্টার্ব করছে, আজকে এখানে এন্ড করে দিচ্ছি ক্লাসটা, ঠিক আছে? কালকে আবার নিয়ে নেবো বাকিটা।
Okay, sir.
ঠিক আছে? সো দিস ইজ আ গ্রুপ, এটা তোমরা করো বাড়িতে, অসুবিধা নেই। আর একটা কোশ্চেন দিয়ে দিই। না ঠিক আছে, থাক, এতটাই থাক, ওটা কালকে করাতে হবে না। এই কোশ্চেনটা বাড়িতে করো, আর আরেকটা কোশ্চেন দিলাম যেটা, ওটাও করো। কালকে আবার আমি এই দুটো কোশ্চেন নিয়ে ডিসকাস করবো। আজকে নেট ডিস্টার্ব, বহুত ডিস্টার্ব হচ্ছে।